Vanny, Jel, and Erica. First of all, to Vanny, you had 20 points on 20 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace. 13 digs in. 28. So, what can you say was a top game? Of course, you wanted to get back a signal at Q9, so what can you say?
It was,
Thank you. Go ahead.
it was a tough game talaga. And like, especially, it's always hard going against Creamline in high pressure games because they're so experienced, they know what to do, they stay composed. So today we just did our best to stay composed as well and never stop fighting.
Thank you so much. To Jel, you had
That's our chef.
You had
35.
yes, 35 excellent sets, 11 points, 8 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 ace, and a couple of digs. So, yun nga, syempre, masakit yung talo yung nakaraan, pero this time, na-pull off nyo. So, ano masasabi mo na this time, nakuha niyo yung panang, despite na naging dikit yung dulo?
Ano po,
Speechless.
nakahinga din ng kasi gabi talaga din yung natutunan namin last game. And gabi rin yung ensayo namin, yung preparation namin, talagang all out din kami para aralin yung Creamline para mapanalo namin yung game ngayon. And ayun, sobrang saya lang kasi grabe yung kapit talaga ng bawat isa. Kahit coaches, grabe din yung effort talaga nila para ipanalo yung game na to. And yun lang, masaya, sobrang saya. And magkatrabaho pa kami syempre para sa semis.
Erica, you had 26 points on 20 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 ace, and 10 digs. So,
Oh,
yes, 10 digs. So, what can you say sa win na you needed it? What can you say?
Yun nga, coming to this game, alam naman namin na hindi magiging madali. So, tinabaho talaga namin. And yun, mentally din kasi, mahirap kalaban talaga ang Creamline. So, yung skills, andyan na eh. Pero, kung paano mo lalaroin and kung paano mo outplay yung Creamline. So, yun. Okay naman yung outcome and kahit sino naman na kunin from bench, nag-participate. So, contribute, I mean. So, yun, good thing. And good for us. Yay!
Thank you for
Nasa
coming.
parking na ako, kala ko. Sorry po. Sorry guys.
Okay, guys, we have Coach Jack De Los Santos,
Ay, ito po.
sina Erica, si Jel, si Vanny. Ang ganda na nilaro nila today. So, what can you say na yun nga, talagang gusto nila, pinusuan nila manalo for signal.
Good evening everyone. Nasa lahat, siyempre, nagpapasalamat talaga kami kay Lord dahil grabe yung guidance na sa amin. And then, siyempre ito, sa tatlong ko, sinabi ko naman sa kanila na kailangan, tumas ang bibi ko kanina. So, sinabi ko naman sa kanila na trabahuin talaga and gustuin manalo. So, nakaka-proud dahil, alam mo yun, for how many times siguro nagkakaharap kami ng Creamline. I think ito yung isa sa best game namin, especially dito sa ongoing doon sa semi. So, sobrang happy and alam naman nila kung paano din nila pinaghirapan yun. And paano din nila ako pinahirapan. Sorry. Sorry na. So, yun. Cut na.
Go ahead, guys.
Yun nga dito sa important game yung 35 excellent sets and 11 points si Jel. Gano'n lang kalaking bagay yung ganong performance.
Ilan po?
35 excellent sets.
Ilan yung sinabi mo sa akin?
Kahapon, sa ensayo kasi tinanong kami ni coach kung ano yung kaya namin, anong goal namin na points tsaka yung excellent sets. So sabi ko kasi 30 plus yung sinabi ko and double digits sa score. So talagang nagawa ko.
Actually,
We all reached our goal.
nag-commit naman sila kasi sabi ko, kailangan yung intention natin, ano ba yung gusto natin gawin para manalo today. Which is yun yung mga binitawan nila sa amin, doon sa huddle namin. And sobrang happy and again, nakaka-proud kasi nagawa talaga nila yung gusto nila.
Thank you.
Kumbaga, was today entering today lang, kumbaga was it just a matter of you had too many heartbreaks already against Cleveland and enough is enough? Was that the approach na lang talaga?
Yeah, and not just today, every practice leading up to this day, or even before this, we know how painful it is to lose our crucial games. We've been through it so many times, so I think that's what we all always hold in our hearts, and we use that as our motivation to really fight with one another.
And for Jel and Erica, tuwing nagpa-5-6 nga kayo sa game line, syempre yung crowd nagiging factor din. Parang at this point pa natutunan,
Huwag mong sabi.
Okay.
Okay, sige, wala yun, wala yun.
Okay.
natutunan nyo na lang din ba siyang, kumbaga, i-withstand or i-block out? Kaya naitawid nyo rin itong game na ito lalo.
Ay, sige.
Yes po. Natutunan na talaga ko sa dami naming laro. Talagang kapag streamline kalabanan, puno talaga yung yung dami talagang tao. So, ayun.
Can I add, even though you didn't ask me? In matches like this na super crucial, sometimes you don't even hear you're so focused on the court. Sometimes it's scarier to be on the bench. So that's for me. Like, you don't even notice anymore what's going on because you're so focused with what you need to do.
For me naman, masarap maglaro ng yung crowd, parang nasa kabilang team lahat. So for me, ginawa ko motivation. Ginawa ko siyang motivation kasi may mga fans na nagbubu or what, tapos nakakapuntos ka, parang nakaka-proud lang na, bakit ang daming doubters, eto ako. Yung mga ganon.
Wow.
Pero yun, parang tinitake ko lang siya as motivation instead na tumiklop ng madaming tao. It feels good na maglaro with that crowd.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's win.
Yay!